Get sponsorships fast. The simple DIY hack travel influencers use. Are you a content creator, a budget traveler, or an aspiring influencer dreaming of sponsored trips and amazing collaborations? Do you feel like you're constantly putting out incredible content, but those sponsorship offers just aren't rolling in? You're not alone in that struggle. Many creators hit a wall when it comes to securing partnerships. They wait for brands to discover them, hoping their content will magically attract attention. But what if I told you there's a crucial, often overlooked step that can completely change your game? There's a secret DIY hack that top travel influencers use to land deals quickly. It's not about having millions of followers or being a celebrity. It's about being proactive, strategic, and incredibly personalized in your approach. This isn't about waiting. It's about making it happen. The core concept is simple yet powerful: proactive, personalized pitching. Instead of passively hoping for opportunities, you actively seek them out. You identify brands that genuinely align with your niche and audience, then you reach out to them directly. This targeted approach is far more effective than any generic outreach. The first step in this DIY hack is meticulous research. You need to identify brands that are a perfect fit for your content and your audience. Think about the products, services, or destinations you genuinely use, love, and would recommend. Authenticity is key here. Once you have a list of potential partners, dive deep into their brand values, their marketing campaigns, and their target demographic. Understand what makes them tick and how they communicate with their customers. This insight will be invaluable for your next step. The second, and perhaps most critical component, is personalizing every single pitch. Forget generic email templates that get immediately deleted. Each brand needs to feel like you've done your homework and genuinely understand their mission. This level of detail sets you apart. Address the right person by name if possible, and reference specific campaigns or products they've launched. Show them you're not just sending out mass emails, you're genuinely interested in a partnership with their brand. This personal touch builds immediate rapport. Next, clearly state your unique value proposition. What can you offer that no one else can? This isn't just about your follower count. It's about your engagement rates, your specific audience demographics, and your content creation skills. Quantify your reach and impact whenever possible. Highlight your ability to create compelling content that resonates with your audience. Explain how your unique perspective or storytelling style can effectively showcase their brand. Focus on the benefits they will receive by collaborating with you. Then, suggest a specific, well-thought-out collaboration idea. Don't just ask for a free product or a sponsored trip. Present a concrete concept that demonstrates how you would integrate their brand seamlessly into your content. This shows initiative and creativity. For example, if you're pitching a sustainable travel gear company, you might propose a series of Instagram reels showcasing their eco-friendly backpack on a multi-day hiking trip. You could outline specific shots, talking points, and calls to action. This level of detail makes it easy for them to visualize the partnership. Imagine crafting a sample Instagram post idea right within your pitch. You could write out the caption, suggest the visual, and even include relevant hashtags. This tangible example demonstrates your understanding of their platform and your ability to deliver high-quality content. It removes guesswork for the brand. This DIY hack moves beyond just sending an email. It's about presenting a mini proposal. You're not asking for a handout. You're offering a valuable service. You're showing them exactly how you can help them achieve their marketing goals. Now let's talk about strategic applications. This DIY hack isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires smart thinking. It's about applying these principles in ways that maximize your chances of success. Generic emails rarely work. Strategic applications always do. One key strategic principle is niche alignment. If you're a budget travel blogger, pitching a luxury 5-star resort might not be your best use of time. Instead, focus on budget airlines, hostel chains, or affordable tour operators. Your audience will trust your recommendations more. Aligning with brands that naturally fit your content ensures authenticity. Your audience will appreciate genuine recommendations, and brands will see the value in reaching a highly relevant demographic. This creates a win-win situation for everyone involved. Another crucial strategic principle is matching your audience demographics to the brand's target market. If a brand is trying to reach young, adventurous backpackers, and your audience consists primarily of families with small children, the fit isn't there. Understand who your followers are. Use your analytics to provide concrete data about your audience's age, location, interests, and engagement patterns. This data is gold for brands looking to target specific consumer segments. Show them you understand their customer base. Finally, offer creative content ideas that genuinely showcase their product or service in an engaging way. Don't just offer a static review. Think outside the box. Could you create a challenge, a tutorial, a travel guide featuring their product, or a behind-the-scenes look? For a travel app, you might propose a 24-hour city challenge using their navigation features. For a travel insurance company, you could share a personal story of how their coverage saved your trip. The more creative and unique your idea, the more memorable your pitch will be. Think about how your content can solve a problem for their customers or inspire them. Can you show how their product makes travel easier, safer, or more enjoyable? Focus on storytelling that highlights the benefits of their offering. This DIY approach helps you stand out in a crowded creator landscape. Instead of being one of many waiting for an opportunity, you become a proactive problem solver. You demonstrate initiative, professionalism, and a clear understanding of marketing. By taking this strategic, personalized approach, you significantly increase your chances of landing sponsorship offers. Brands are constantly looking for creators who can deliver value, and your detailed pitches show them you're serious about collaboration. You're not just asking for something, you're offering a solution. This method also helps you build genuine, long-term relationships with brands. When you approach them with a well-researched, personalized proposal, you establish yourself as a professional partner. This can lead to repeat collaborations and even ambassador roles down the line. Imagine the confidence you'll gain knowing you're actively shaping your career, not just passively waiting. This DIY hack empowers you to take control of your sponsorship journey. It transforms you from a hopeful creator into a strategic business partner. It's about shifting your mindset from, how can I get sponsored, to, how can I provide value to this brand and their audience? When you focus on value, opportunities naturally follow. This is the secret sauce that many successful creators have mastered. This isn't just about getting free stuff. It's about creating meaningful partnerships that benefit both you and the brand. It's about leveraging your platform to share products and services you genuinely believe in, while also growing your own brand. So, are you ready to stop waiting and start creating your own opportunities? Are you ready to apply this DIY hack and see those sponsorship offers come in faster than ever before? This strategic approach is your key to unlocking new levels of collaboration. To help you get started immediately, I've put together a FRE checklist with exact steps and templates for crafting a winning pitch. This resource will guide you through the research, personalization, and value proposition stages. It's everything you need to implement this hack today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your content creation journey. Click the link in the description below to download your free checklist now. It's packed with actionable advice that you can apply right away. Start pitching, start collaborating, and start seeing your travel dreams become a sponsored reality. Happy travels and happy sponsoring. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so others can see. And remember to smash the bell notification if you have not done that so to get notified on the travel hack. Thank you.